What is HPE GreenLake and why is it important? In this short brief, we're going to get into why it's relevant and what it means to you. I'm Andy with Milestone, and this is your Milestone Brief. HPE GreenLake has been around for many years under different names like Flex Capacity and Infrastructure as a Service. It's not a physical product, but it's more of a unique service offering wrapped with financial options that enable you to buy equipment differently. Simply put, GreenLake is a pay-per-use private cloud model, and no longer do you need to plan out your needs for 5 or so years and pay a large chunk upfront for capacity you don't even really need at day one. So with GreenLake, there are no upfront costs at all, and you're just billed monthly based on actual metered usage. All install and support costs are built in, and it's HP's highest level of data center support. According to 451 research, planning for growth is challenging. We're finding that 40 to 50% of server capacity is completely wasted by organizations due to overprovisioning. Scalability and speed to scale is another big area of concern, where 80% said provisioning and scaling was poor. 92% of customers wait well over a month just to add additional capacity, and HPE GreenLake actually helps address these key challenges. Cloud means different things to different people, so let's clear the air, so to speak. Public cloud is a location that's out there somewhere that could be in the US or out of the country even. It's typically a large shared location with many other customers sharing the same equipment and network bandwidth. The main players are typically Amazon, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google. We see that customers go to public cloud because they think that's their best solution for their business. And sometimes they're right. However, according to 451 Cloud Index, the #1 concern with going to public cloud is security, followed by data compliance, data protection, performance, availability, and last, cost. So with GreenLake, just like with a capital purchase, you maintain physical control of the equipment. And you don't have bandwidth or I/O throttling with a ton of extra fees if you exceed limits on the plan. GreenLake is billed as a utility, so just like a public cloud. It's actually very simple. It's straightforward. Cost is based just on what you use. So most, if not all, of the primary public cloud concerns go away under the GreenLake private cloud model. There are many key advantages over public cloud, such as the fact that overprovisioning is eliminated, so you're not overspending. You maintain control over your privacy, latency, and security, and you have a pre-provisioned variable or buffer capacity that's installed on site, ready to use. We can even mix different technologies as part of GreenLake, like compute, storage, networking, software, etc., all combined under one bill. There are many more advantages that GreenLake provides. HPE has a solid offering, and it's a solution that's not new to HPE. In fact, their CEO, Antonio Neri, has committed that all HP products are going to be available as a service going forward. And this is huge. It shows that this is not going away. So if you're looking at cloud, as most customers are, consider looking at GreenLake. The first step is to reach out to us, and we can schedule your free workload analysis with a report that we'll provide you. Just reach out to us at greenlake@milestonetech.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And stay tuned for part 2, which gets into more details on how GreenLake works.